I want to share with you my skincare products which I brought with me while I was in Europe, and as you see for yourself, I have more than enough, but let's say 90% of it are the travel sizes because they're easier to have it with. So first is the deodorant, the Secret Clinicals, which I've been using for years and I do enjoy it. It works. I have nail polish from OP, which obviously it's not a skincare product. From Strivectin, I have their moisture lip mask, which I was using at night and it was fine. Oh, even though it says lip mask, I was using this Laca Balm. Then I have small advanced nail repair. That's my staple. Same thing, but for the eyes. For the serums from number 7, I have the dark spot correcting booster serum. Small perfume from Erling Lauder. I think this is Vince Camuto. I think it is. Then small empty tender light from Estee. This was ceramide capsules for the eyes. This small toner, soft clean for dry skin. Another one was their pomegranate. It's like a goopy jelly lotion, but it works. And this bottle can last you for a long time. I have two foamy cleansers, one for dry, one for normal skin, but they perform exactly the same. Then I have night gel, ANR for the eyes. So this, okay, so they're both for the eyes. I prefer this one because it performs better. Next is the Advanced Nail Repair Concentrate, which, as you can see, it's already empty. So this is like ANR, but on steroids. So when your skin needs some help, that one works. Eye serum from number 7. More ceramide capsules from Elizabeth Arden, but those ones are for the face. It gets a little bit closer. Then from Revive, I have their renewal cream, which is fine. It was a hydrating moisturizer. Then I have Perfectionist Pro, which I thought that was their vitamin C serum, but I think I mixed the bottles. Either way, I was using this one. Then I have their moisturizer, that's the Revitalizing Supreme. It's a nice moisturizer, a little bit thicker because of the mineral oil, but otherwise I do like this item. So I have the bigger one and 2 smaller ones. Then for sunblock, I have the Garnier SPF 50, which you have to shake it before you use it, but it's similar as the La Roche-Posay. Then from Paula's Choice, come back here. From Paula's Choice, I have their antioxidants concentrate, a small eye cream with hand butter, hand butter. I didn't get a chance to use this one. That was the Glow Moisturizer with SPF 30, so I cannot give you opinion about it. From Dermalogica, their Daily Macrofoliant, which is like a little powder, which you add water and then you massage it, so we get exfoliation. A package for the small sample of Beautiful Magnolia, and that's what it is, already empty. And yeah, that's all what I brought with me for our skincare. And yeah, some of those items you're gonna see in my monthly empties because majority of them are empty. Okay, see you next time. Bye.